You've been so mean to me lately.
Sandwich, are you ready?
I probably look a peachful.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind and it's always trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess.
Good morning. Hi guys, it is the following day. I probably look a plumful. Oh, I thought it was a plum and peach. Anyways, I probably look a peachful. Anyways, it is the next morning and I'm up and early. It's 8 o'clock, 8:45-ish. Excuse me. I just threw on this two-piece set. It's a sweater set, but it's a crop sweater jacket. I got it for Forever 21, like, or H&M. I don't remember, years ago though. But anyways, I'm about to get ready to try to run to Publix to get me some coffee and something to eat, and also some dog food. Koda's groomer should be on the way though, so I'm really trying to debate if I should just thug it out until he gets here. Oh my gosh, y'all, I have a face full of pimple patches because, like I said, it's breaking out. I looked so bad yesterday. But I'm trying to decide if it's so crazy because now that it's nothing there, it's such an echo to me now. Like, I hear it, the echo. But yeah, I want to go grab coffee and stuff from Publix. The Castillo, I can't remember the name of it. I'll probably insert it here so you can see what I'm talking about, but you guys are also going to see it later when I grab it from the store. But I'm going to be running in and out of Publix. Like, literally, I'm only going in there to grab me something to cook and bring my ass back home, and also coffee, and bring my ass back home because I have a lot of stuff to do today, because I honestly do not want to do nothing tomorrow besides get myself prepared for the concert. Well, yeah, exactly, get myself prepared for the concert. I have to blow dry my hair, straighten it, do it, like insert my ponytail, wash clothes, and do my lashes. That's literally all I want to do today. Oh, also I want to clean my room. So that's literally all I want to do today. Probably gonna cook a little bit later. I have to figure out what I'm gonna cook though. Probably gonna try to figure that out now so that I can take the meat down. But yeah, that's all I have planned for today, pretty much. And I think Bree was gonna come over a little later, but yeah, I will catch back up with you guys. Yeah, look at Koda. And he can't, well, you guys can't see. Can you see his eye? I know he's looking at me. Koda. Oh yeah, that baby gotta get groomed. He has got to get groomed. Ain't nobody call you. I did call you. I did. Let me see. Let mommy see them teeth. Let me see your teeth. Can I see? You being so mean to me. You've been so mean to me lately. What did I do to you, Koda? Are you mad at your mommy? I do nothing but love you. I only love you. Can I see your teeth? Oh, look at them big old teeth. Okay. Okay, meanie. Bye. So I am back home, guys. I went crazy. I was supposed to only go and get coffee. I know that. Coffee and a little bit of something to eat. I did too much. And I'm gonna do a haul for you guys in a second. But do y'all hear that noise? You probably can't. But anyways, Koda's downstairs with his groomer. His truck is so loud, mainly because his truck is literally right there. It was so perfect. Like, I brought all my groceries upstairs, and then I was like, let me walk Koda before the groomer come. And I got his bathroom, so I walked him, and literally as I'm walking him, his groomer pulled up. So I literally just handed him to Ronaldo and back. So yeah, I did get my baby I got him a new bed and some new toys, and I wanted to wait until he got groomed to give him what I got him. So, hold up, I'm gonna set you guys up really fast. It's so cute. Looks so cozy. This is so much better than his last one because it's not as big. Y'all, this is so cute. I literally cannot. Oh my God. And it looks just like my baby. Mom, you did a good job. But you're doing a good job, babe. You're doing it. And it is like, it's not taking up all that space. Like, yes. Hopefully this bed can last him because Koda is a wild one, as y'all already know. So, yeah. Hey booty boos. Hey babes, I'm just kidding. So I am drinking the coffee. I'm not sure if I ever showed you guys this, but I know y'all have seen it by now because it's literally everywhere. TikTok's been raving about it, all type of places. I got this one. My dad usually gets the actual coffee one, the grind one. So I'm not unfamiliar with this. I am so obsessed with this right now. So I got that. And you know, your girl have GERD, so I have to take it easy. But I actually seen this in public today. This is a plant-based oat creamer, and it's caramel apple crumble, and it tastes really good. I like it. I really like it. And I'm also trying this out for breakfast. It's the Jimmy Dean's Delight Egg Witch. So we'll see how that goes. I think it's about ready though, honestly. Seems ready. Seems like you're ready. Sandwich, are you ready to come all the way? All the way. Just flip it over. I want to make sure that it's finito. Don't judge me, I know I look a mess, but I'm about to go downstairs and put my clothes in the washer. Really? No, I didn't need to wash my clothes, so put my clothes in the washer. Also, I don't know if you guys remember in the old vlog, I was telling y'all how I was breaking out from before. It's back. And I honestly feel like it's because I sweat in my sleep. Like, I sweat like, I'm not over exaggerating. I mean, like, somebody wet me with a water hose wet. Like, that's how I be. And it's not every single time, but it's like 75% of the time. So like literally I would get up like in the mornings, I shower because I just be feeling like icky. Like not super icky, I really don't. But like I just know I sweated the night before, so I know that I need to, you know, do that. So anyways, about to go put my sheets and clothes in the washer, come back upstairs, start straightening my hair until Koda is ready. I low-key want to have his food already ready for him, so I think that's what I'm about to do really fast. And then go ahead and start my hair. And also snack on that because I am a little hungry. So let's get the baby food ready. My food ready.
My food is ready.
Already. He gonna fuck them damn gingerbreads up. Koda. Koda, why you do them like that already? You didn't even say hi. He literally went straight to them and started biting. Koda, what about you? What about your picture? Who is that? Who is that? He like with a damn treat playing around with me. Y'all, I had to bribe him with the treat for him to sit because he was going crazy.
Child.